Let's have a look at the distribution shape of the box plot. See, remember the box plot has mainly quartiles shown in this box and whiskers reaching to the minimum and the maximum. So from quartile 1 to minimum, so Q1 is a value after 25% of the data. So we have here 25% of the data from the minimum to Q1. Q2 is the value in the middle, which is after 50% of the data. So that's another 25% between Q1 and Q2. Q3 is after 75%, so another 25%, and so on. And that's the idea of the quartiles. They divide the whole data range into 4 quarters, and that's why each quarter has 25% of the data. See, if the distance between Q1 and Q2 is almost the same as the distance between Q2 and Q3, then the shape is almost symmetric. And in this case, usually also the distance between the minimum and Q1 is similar to the distance between Q3 and the maximum. And in this case, the whole shape is symmetric, which probably the distribution shape could either be a uniform distribution or a bell shape. Okay, so we can assume that in this case, the shape would be maybe a bell shape, not like that, maybe bell shape like that. Yeah, something like that, approximately. So that would be the case of the distribution shape. So we can say it's almost bell shape. Okay, or it actually may be uniform. Okay, so that's one case. The other case is, what if this part of the box is longer? The right side, this part of the box is longer. So the shape will look like this. So this is longer here, and or the whisker on the right side is also longer. So in this case, imagine the 25% that were here have a smaller range of values. So that means they have higher frequency. So if they have higher frequency, so in this case, it will be a peak here. And in this case, then the shape will look like it is right skewed. So in this case, it's right skewed. Because the same 25% is actually here is spread out in a larger range of values. But the 25% here have smaller range of values. So there must be higher frequency. Higher frequency here, that means actually the peak is going to be here, and they have less frequency on the right side. So it will be right skewed. Similarly, if the part of the box on the left side is larger, or the whisker is larger on the left side, then this means that that are stretched here, and if they are stretched here, then they have less frequency, and then the higher frequency or the peak will be actually on the right. So in this case, this is left skewed. Okay, so now we can tell distribution shape from the length of the parts of the box and also the whiskers. So again, longer part means the direction of the skewed. So if you have longer part of the box on the left, it's left skewed. If you have longer part of the box or longer whisker on the right, then it would be right skewed. But if they are almost the same, then you have a symmetric shape, which could be a bell shape or uniform. So here we have a symmetric shape, which could be bell shape or a uniform. So these are the 3 cases here for the box plot.